Lieutenant Price, the meeting is underway. Enemy transport sighted entering the target area. The wind's getting a bit choppy. You can compensate for it, or you can wait it out. But he might leave before it dies down. That's your call. Remember what I taught you. Keep in mind variable humidity and wind speed along the bullet's flight path. At this distance, you'll also have to take the Coriolis effect into account. Okay, I think I see him. Wait for my mark. Target acquired. I have a positive ID on Imran Zakhaev. Steady. Keep an eye on that flag. Watch for any change in wind speed and direction. Where did he come from? Patience, laddie. Wait for a clear shot. Went wide. Probably should have waited for the target is down. Nice shot, Lieutenant. Shit, they're onto us. Take out that helicopter. It'll buy us some time. Great shot, Lieutenant. Now let's go. They'll be searching for us. It's time to move! We'll have to take a shortcut. Follow my lead. Lieutenant Price, follow me. Delta 2-4, this is Alpha 6. We have been compromised. I repeat, we have been compromised. Now heading to extraction point 4.
Alpha 6, Big Bird is en route. ETA 20 minutes. Don't be late. We're stretching out fuel as it is. Out.
Lose him in that apartment. Come on. Stand by. Quick, plant the claymore by the door up ahead. Tango down. More behind us. Got him. Incoming helicopter! Sniper blaster! Right! Shoot the helicopter! We'll take it down together! Good night, you bastard. Bloody hell, I can't move! Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. If we run into trouble, you'll have to find a good spot to put me down, so I can cover you. The extraction point is to the southwest. We can still make it if we hurry. Enemies closing in. Put me in a good spot where I can cover you. Easy does it. Easy does it. Well set. He's down. More tangos to the northwest. Target neutralized. Head for that apartment. We'll try to lose him in there. Almost there. The extraction point is on the other side of that building. Got one!
Alpha 6, this is Big Bird. Standing by for your signal, over.
Our helicopter is standing by to safe distance. Put me down behind the Ferris wheel where I can provide sniper support. This'll be fine. Take the rest of my claymores. Now's the time to use them. The enemy is bound to enter this area, so find a good sniping position. I'll signal the helicopter in 30 seconds. Find a good spot to snipe from and go prone. All right, lad. I've activated the beacon. Good luck.
Alpha 6, we have a fix on your position. Hang tight. Big Bird out.
Tango's inside. Let them get closer. Tango down. Target neutralized. He's down. Enemy choppers inbound! Redbird, we are heavily outnumbered. Where are you?
Copy that, Alpha. We'll be there ASAP. Hold tight.
Tango down. Got one. Enemy choppers inbound. We are heavily outnumbered! Where are you?
Copy that, Alpha. We'll be there ASAP. Hold tight.
Got another. Down. Another. Got him. Got one. Got another. Target neutralized. Got one. He's down.